Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, welcome to the Stock Indice Week in Review. I'm going to start off with the dollar here. Absolutely significant price action move for the Dixie, and as you can see here, it absolutely collapsed here. And looking at the commitment of traders, it is crowded out long, and it's still crowded out long, but we have a significant move to the downside that has broken through and closed below this overall liquidity zone plus the Z3 with more price action to the downside for next week. We'll see if the dollar bounces back off this liquidity zone, but currently right now it is in a free fall day on Friday. This might be the start of a new collapse here, which would send the markets up, but this is concerning in terms of overall support, with the next overall support happening at 104.5, and then we have an additional support here where the point figure support zone is at 103.5, along with the 200 and the RL270, way past the Z3 here. So we'll see if this continues to move to the downside. Natural gas pretty much consolidating right now. Overall 20-year has started its move to the upside, so those folks that are in TLT that got in on Wednesday had some nice price action to the upside and hit the overall point figure at 93.44. 2 years also moved up, along with the 5-year and the 10-year. 10-year was the only one that was crowded out short. It is now even more so crowded out short as it continues to move to the upside. Russell is still crowded out to the short side and is now moved up. The overall indication on Thursday, Friday was beautiful gains on the Russell. Gold is still consolidating through this consolidation zone, the liquidity zone. We have 2 point figure resistance zones along with the RL270 and the Z3 excursion here. We'll see if it can bust up above 2004. If it does, it'll more likely go to 2100 here overall. S&P 500 still moving up to the upside. A little mixed on commitment of traders. Interesting to note that retail traders alone by themselves on the long side and institutional and commercial are on the same side. Still moved to the upside. NASDAQ, same thing, also moved to the upside. Crowd out short side on the NASDAQ USD. Nice overall moves to the upside. Same thing with the Dow. Crowded out to the short side, 73%, 58% on institutional retail, and moving straight up. Has the liquidity zone here, and also at the R270, and here at the Z3. We'll see what happens in terms of overall price action movement next week. Looking at overall stock indices, we looked at silver, and overall loss on Monday, $600. Vito, overall consolidation here with Bitcoin, loss of $60. Bank D, overall loss here, $500. Bank U, however, nice overall gains here to the upside, $1,540. Boyle to the upside, nice overall gain on Thursday, and this nice, beautiful pre-market reversal here on Wednesday, gain of $6,200. Bull Z, nice overall gains on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, $6,800. Copper is interesting here with overall gains to the upside. It stayed pretty much to the upside and continued upside with a give back on Friday. Overall gain for the week of $210. Gear overall loss here. I took this overall chance here on Gear, loss of $440. Defense, beautiful gains on Thursday and a little give back on Friday. So Wednesday and Thursday were nice gains. Overall give back here. Hit the RL270 again at $550. DPST, beautiful gains here on Friday, $1,030. Drip, overall losses throughout this week of $740. DRN, beautiful gains here on Friday of $120. DRV, wonderful gain on Monday of $350. Doug, overall loss of $119. Dust, overall loss of $10 here. ERY, losses looking at $560 loss. EU, RL, overall loss on Friday, $63. FAS, beautiful gain on Friday, $660. FAS, overall loss on Monday, $790. FNGU, beautiful gain on Friday $5,350 on 1,000 shares. Nice doji sandwich here going forward, all in the green. GDXD loss of $30 on Wednesday. Gush overall loss here on Friday, $310. Hibble, beautiful gain here on Friday for $1,250. JDST, overall gain on Wednesday of $30. LabD, overall loss here, $799 on Monday. LabU, overall gain on there with this beautiful pre-market reversal, $250 gain. Now, just absolutely wonderful gains on Friday, $2,730. With this wonderful gap up trade too, after significant momentum to the upside, $2,070. Overall total $4,800 for those 2 days. Beautiful trade. Nugget overall loss here, $1,220. Retail, beautiful gains here. Pre-market reversal in this wonderful trade here. Overall gains of $550. SCO, nice wonderful gains here going forward. With a give back on Thursday of overall gains for the week of $590. SDAO, overall loss on Monday, $780. SOXL, wonderful gains here on Friday of $780. SOXS, overall loss here on Monday, $350. SPXL, beautiful gains here going forward both Thursday and Friday, $3,010. SPXS, overall loss on Monday, $270. Same with SPXU, $210. SQQQ, same thing. Overall loss on Monday, $250. SRTY, overall loss on Tuesday after initial gain here, $650 for the week. SVIXY, beautiful gains here all the way from Wednesday to Friday, $2,290. TechL, also wonderful gains going for the week, both Thursday and Friday at $2,325. TMF, overall loss on Friday of $130 for the week. Overall gain on Friday, $720. TPOR, overall gains on Thursday and Friday, $779. TQQQ, also some nice gains on Thursday and Friday, $1,420. TYD, those shorts, overall gain on this overall trade, and then give backs on Thursday and Friday. Overall gain about $74. TZA, overall loss for the week. We had a gain on Monday, loss on Tuesday. Overall loss of $480. UBOT, nice gains on Thursday and Friday. Overall gains of $791. UBT, overall loss of $240. UDAO, beautiful gains going forward. Overall crowded short. This crowded trade was wonderful both on Thursday and Friday. $1,970 on UDAO. Gold, we had this nice reversal here. Overall gain of $200. UPRO, both Thursday and Friday. Nice overall gains of $1,540. URTY, beautiful gains here. $1,870. Want, same thing. $970. And end the week with WebL. This beautiful reversal here to $420 on Friday. Pre-market reversals are awesome going forward with the previous day down and pre-market moving. Price action open above the previous day's high. Beautiful gains to the upside. Keep your eye on these going forward. A lot of volatility in the market. Looking at oil, it is crowded out to the long side significantly at 82% and 65% to the downside. As you can see, it continues to move to the downside. This is the best indication, in my humble opinion, for a recession. As the markets go up, this goes down. This is signifying a lot of weakness in the overall markets. Looking at world markets, we have China up against the point figure support resistance zone. We'll see if it continues to break above that or continue to go down lower. Euro is also to the upside, along with the Japanese Nikkei, just rocketing it up overall in terms of valuation. Japan is our largest holder of debt at above $1 trillion, and we'll see if this has any effect in the overall treasuries with Japanese. UK kind of consolidating here, heading back down. Magnificent Seven still strong to the upside, with the weakest is Apple and Tesla. Looking at the yields are still heading to the downside, 4.8. 20-year also headed down, 10-year also headed down, 5-year and 2-year. Significant move to the downside after October 19th. Looking at Bitcoin, still consolidating between these two zones. We'll see if it continues to move to the upside, but overall momentum to the upside. So overall gains for the week, we had initial drawdown on Monday, marked the turnaround And then overall gains began to increase from Tuesday all the way to Friday, with the largest gain on Friday. Overall gains for the week is 39K. If you're interested in these kind of strategies going forward, or programming in both PineScript or Python and auto trading, click on the links below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Monday.
Well, if you like this video, hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.